Right, so BAFE stands for British Approvals for Fire Equipment. And there's loads of different standards. So the one that we're talking about today is BAFE SP203. And it specifically is to do with fire alarm. So it's split into 4 sections: design, installation, commissioning, and verification. And if you're an approved company, you could be approved for just the design. You could be approved for just the installation, or just the commissioning, or the verification. There is a maintenance part to it as well. So you could just have the maintenance bit of it. As a company, we have the whole lot. So we can do, cradle to grave, as in, we can do the design, installation, commissioning, and so on. And all it effectively does is it pulls together all of the things that's in the existing standards and certifies it as one thing. So you still got to do your certificates for installation, commissioning, your design, and so on. But the BAFE certificate pulls them all together and offers a certificate that is third party approved, which is the actual key what BAFE is. So we, as a fire alarm company, get inspected. So they'll turn up, pull a file, say, take me to building X. I want to look at your initial inquiry. I want to look at who dealt with it, what was the design, who did the survey, what did you install, where's the drawings, and who's maintaining it. And they want to see all of those things that we're being effectively checked for. So the importance of having BAFE is you not just trust us to do the job, but we're being checked. And that's the key for having the BAFE SP203 standard.